Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 4:15 a.m. At 3:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Morris, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Down prelims and measured wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour have been reported with this storm. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Rochelle, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Polo, Davis Junction, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Lost Nation, Creston, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Wusan, Lee Center, and Kings. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 95 and 114. Interstate 88 between mile markers 54 and 82. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Loudon State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, and White Pine State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 a.m.